Super quick welcome flow series email strategy. When someone signs up to the form, we just need to send them the first email number 1, where we need to give the person the discount code, the free value that we promised on the sign up form. It can be an ebook, it can be some kind of value that you can provide to the customers. And in that first email, we want to greet them and give them the discount or the value. After the first email, we need to wait 1 day. So we put 1 day delay here, and then it comes the second email after 2 days, where we can give more info about the brand, who are we, any kind of objections, we can handle these here, some brand story, and don't forget to add the free value or the discount code at the end of the email. Another 1 day delay here, and we send the third email. The third email here, we can show some social proof, some testimonials about the brand, some reviews, some before and after photos if they apply to the brand, and add the discount code at the end of the email. Another 1 day, but here we can postpone that to 10 a.m. recipient's time zone, so we make sure that it's a good time to receive an email. And the email number 4 is where we can push a little bit, make the customer feels like it's the last chance to get their discount or the value that we want to provide them.